going on, everybody? Welcome to a very special episode of Hype Talk on the Go. This video is sponsored by Google Pay, which we are going to be partnering with for the official release of our Hype Talk merch dropping tomorrow at 8 a.m. Pacific time sharp. A little bit about Google Pay: you can download it from the App Store, Google Play, or directly online, and it is the easiest way to send money to your friends and family, purchasing in store or even online. So no longer do you got to spend a bunch of time putting in your credit card information for those limited releases. If you have your Google Pay set up, it'll be super quick and you won't lose that item that was sitting in your cart. Also, for the release tomorrow, if you do check out using Google Pay, you will then receive 10% off on your next purchase. We'll get into details a little bit later. Let's get back into the video. All right, so in today's video, we're gonna be showing you guys how to use the Google Pay, showing you guys some of the Hype Talk designs, and also giving you guys tips and advice if you are interested in starting your own clothing brand. Enough talking though, I gotta go meet up Tang and Johnny. Let's head on out. Alright guys, so before we hit up our local screen printing shop to show you guys how the t-shirts are made, we gotta grab some food for the road.
Do it. Can we please get 2 spicy bites?
Actually, can you make mine a cheeseburger bite, please? What'd you get on your hot dog?
Just ketchup.
That's it?
Yeah.
Let me show him how it's done.
So it's only right at 7-Eleven you grab some Slurpees, you know? Alright, so I'm gonna go with the classic wild cherry.
Rich, you know you gotta add the cola to that.
Oh,
the cherry cola.
I'm gonna add the cola, alright. Also, to maximize the cup, I like to put the lid on first. Bam. Just sticking it right there. All the way to the top. Woo! Alright, so what'd you guys get?
You know I had to double down on the dog.
Oh,
Okay,
you would.
okay.
I gotta be a plain dog though. What, you rich?
I got a classic Slurpee and then, you know, obviously the blueberry pie with the maple bar. Alright, so like I said earlier, guys, you guys can check out using Google Pay at any physical store. Let's go check out right now. Alright guys, so I have the Google Pay opened up right now. All I gotta do is just tap it right here. Bam, okay? And it's that easy. We're getting straight to it, so no bag. Thank you so much. All right, so we got our food. Let's head on out to the screen printing shop. So we just got to the screen printing shop, and one thing I really want to advise to you guys, if you're just starting out a clothing brand, make sure to find somewhere local to make your t-shirts. You're gonna be able to be a little bit more hands-on with it, oversee the quality, and you're gonna save a ton of money on shipping. So let's go in there, check them out, see if the owner has anything to say. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we're with Eric, the owner of That Screen Printing Shop. Can you give us one word of advice you would have when it comes to starting your own clothing brand?
One of the things people should focus on is staying in their own lane, keeping true to its aesthetic, and that'll make sure they have some longevity in the t-shirt game.
So what you're really kind of saying is, if you're following a trend, the brand is more quickly to die down.
Absolutely, it's just like a trend. It comes and goes. So if you have your lane and follow it, you're going to build up a loyalty, you know, from your customers and be able to stay doing this.
Got it. As an owner of a screen printing shop, I'm sure you've seen them like come and go pretty quickly, right?
Absolutely, man. It's I never like to see it, but you know, people come in with some great ideas, and unfortunately, they don't always go the way they want.
Got it.
One of our screen printing presses. This is where we make all the t-shirts. This thing does a lot of work, man. We can do up to like 400 pieces an hour on this.
400 t-shirts an hour.
Absolutely, depending on the design. And speaking of designs, one thing to keep in mind as you're starting up a new company is the more colors involved in your graphic, it does raise your price point.
So if a design is all white, then it's going to be the cheapest compared to something with like 20 colors in it.
Absolutely, yeah. And that comes down to breaking down the setup costs and, you know, the overall print prices.
Okay, so for each additional color, average-wise, how much more would you say it is?
Based on quantity, I mean, that price could be anywhere from $1 or $2 per t-shirt and up.
That's pretty costly.
Yeah.
So would you say a lot of people, when they're starting off, just start off with maybe 1 or 2 colors?
Yeah, you know, we see it both ways though. I mean, some people are artists and come through with, you know, an 8-color fire, and then we do it for them. So.
They don't want to be limited to like 2 colors.
Absolutely.
Got it. Alright guys, so we just got back to the studio. We got Danny and Anna right here. Obviously you guys are very familiar with them on the channel. They have not seen the t-shirt designs yet. Tan, do you want to do the honors of showing us the first t-shirt?
Alright, let's do it.
Woo.
Alright, check this one out, Anna. And then Here you go.
All right, so what do you guys think? I know you guys have not seen these yet. What do you think?
I really like the pop of color here.
All right, all right.
Yeah, I really like kind of the mountains over here. It's like a nod to the Pacific Northwest. I think it's really cute.
On the Hype Talks, the intros, we do have the 3 mountains. It's kind of like a homage to us being from the Northwest, but then also the 3 peaks.
Yeah,
Kind of represents
a lot of
the 3
people ask
characters
about
on
the
there.
intro. You know, they're always wondering where the 3 peaks are coming from. So that's pretty much, you know, we're from the Northwest, so it makes sense.
Yeah, so these are releasing tomorrow at 8 a.m. Pacific time on HYPETALK.shop. They're gonna be super limited, so make sure you guys get on there quick.
All right, guys, so you can see behind us, we have a ton of different designs. These are just a couple that we will be coming out with, but we are trying to give you guys tips and advice if you are looking to start your own clothing brand. Johnny, you were a huge part of this. What is one advice that you would give them?
One important advice I have for you guys is making sure you link up with a graphic designer. Either you're super creative already or not creative at all. The graphic designer is going to allow you to get what's in your head, put on a piece of paper, and then you could use that to bring to the screen printing shop.
And it's been a long day. You guys were able to go to the screen printing shop with us. Also go to our studio, see our inspirations and designs. I am pretty hungry. You guys hungry?
Yeah.
I say we go grab some lunch right now. Let's head on out. All right. You guys go ahead.
I'll take the number 4, the turkey town, please. I'll have the number 16, the chalulu, please.
All right, so I got the Google Pay right here. I'm gonna put it up to the pin pad, and bam, all good to go. Alright guys, so I just got back and I gotta give a huge thank you once again to Google Pay for partnering with us on the official release of this Hype Talk merchandise. We are gonna be running something super special with them tomorrow. If you check out using Google Pay, you will then receive an email with a coupon code for 10% off your next purchase. And it is very important after you guys download the Google Pay app to make sure that your card is added to your Google Pay account before you guys check out tomorrow. That way you have everything ready to check out. Like we said earlier, the stuff is pretty limited, so make sure you guys get on there right at 8 a.m. for the best chances to get the t-shirt that you want. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below on what your favorite t-shirt was that you saw in today's video. See you guys tomorrow on the release, and until next time, I'm out. Peace!
Alright you guys, thank you so much for checking out that video. And don't forget, tomorrow if you use Google Pay to check out, you'll receive an email for 10% off your next purchase. Remember, 8 a.m. tomorrow. See you guys.